So what is postmodernism?
Postmodernism is a theoretical approach that arose in the 1980s to explain an historical period, postmodernity, which is generally accepted to have begun in the late 1960s and early 1970s.
And this is also a term current inside and outside academic study of popular culture. So there are three main theories in postmodernism. They are Jean-Francois Lyotard, Jean Baudrillard, and Frederick Jameson.
These three theorists offer interpretations of postmodernism which will help us in considering postmodern media.
Jean-Francois Lyotard.
For Lyotard, the postmodern condition is marked by a crisis in the status acknowledged in Western societies. This is expressed as an incredulity towards meta-narratives and what he calls the obsolescence of the meta-narrative apparatus of legitimation. According to Lyotard, meta-narratives operate through inclusion and exclusion, as homogenizing forces, marshalling heterogeneity into ordered realms, silencing and excluding other discourses, other voices in the name of universal principles and general goals.
Jean Baudrillard. He emerged as one of the most high-profile postmodern theorists. However, according to him, postmodernism is not simply a culture of the sign, rather it is a culture of the simulacrum. Simulacrum means there is no longer a distinction between reality and its representing image. He claims that the characteristic mode of postmodernity is hyperrealism. Hyperreality means there is only surface meaning. There is no longer any original thing for the sign to represent. The sign is the meaning. Frederick Jameson. In a historical point of view, he believed that postmodernism is a development of modernism. He argued that postmodernist works are often characterized by the lack of depth, which has been replaced by a surfeit of surface. Jameson catalog of key features of postmodern culture as referentiality, irony, pastiche, and parody. Jameson refers to this cultural recycling as historicism, the random cannibalization of various past styles, erasing historical depth. And now, because we are talking to postmodernism, let us talk about postmodern cultures. So what are the examples of postmodern cultures? Pop music, television, architecture, and arts.